Okay guys, so we're back. The pump, as you see, is stable back in place. I need to get this a little bit more snug. Okay, so that's snug there. We have to put these two back in their original places. As you see, we'll put the longer one to the bottom. Let's see if we can put this in here so you can see a little better. But I'll put the longer one here to the bottom, if you guys can see that right there. So that one will go there. I'm not sure because I can barely see if I've seen it, but and the top one will go there. So we're just putting those two clamps, as you see, back in place. We're gonna attach this hose back and clamp it so that way when the water actually drains, it doesn't get all over the floor. You got nice snug. So everything is back in place. Now we're gonna turn on the washer. And excuse the lighting for a second, but we're gonna turn back on the washing machine and just make sure we'll plug it back up first off and make sure everything is back and working. So as you see, apparently when I unplugged it, I didn't turn it off, so it is a quieter sound. Just kind of wait and see what's going on. It's still on the spin cycle, as you guys see. Spin cycle is typically 11 minutes. It's turning on, it's vibrating, but the drum is not rotating. So that's what we're trying to figure out, why this drum is not rotating here. It doesn't have on the new drain pump. And the drain pump is working because it's turning on. So let's just try to figure out why the spin is not working. So what it kept doing before was it just kept turning from 9 minutes, cycling from 9 minutes to 11. See, kept doing that. So something is still not working correctly. Check to make sure the fuses are in its correct spot, but the machine is the drain pump works, so that means the previous drain pump worked as well. So I'm not sure. We can flip the machine upside down to make sure a belt is not disconnected, and making sure that's possibly not the issue. But I can also make sure it's not anything pertaining to the fuses being in the wrong spot as well, which I doubt, because there was nothing specifying. This time I'm actually going to make sure I turn off the machine. Okay, and then we're going to unplug it. I'm just going to flip these cameras real quick. The machine is unplugged, and I'm just going to make sure, just to be on the safe side, that these they don't have to be in this. We're going to put the yellow on the top and the black one on the bottom, so they're back connected. Spinning back around, let's plug this sucker back up and turn the machine on once again. So the machine is back on. We're going to flip it over to the spin cycle and start. So still making that same, I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but you can hear when it turns on. There is no water to drain out because, of course, I've already drained all the water out, but at least the spin cycle should be going. So something is not working. And that's me just tapping the machine just to kind of is dirty. Well, let's just kind of see what's happening here. It's me just rocking the machine a little bit just to see if it needed a little kickstart. See, something's not right.